Hello everyone, I am here with another makeup review slash tutorial. I bought a whole bunch of new Fenty products and I'm going to be showing you all my purchases today. So the first one is going to be the Fenty Skin Sunscreen. Now this I absolutely love. It came in this really cute package over here, and I couldn't help using this before, but it comes in two parts. The first part is here, so it's actually more eco-friendly because you can buy replacements of this and then just put it back into this container. And then to put it away, you basically you basically turn it, and then to use it, you just pump it here. And it's this sort of like pink goo. It's not really like typical sunscreen. I really like it because it's not streaky. It feels really great on the skin, like a moisturizer. So I've been using it. It smells good. It smells fresh, almost like kind of like some body wash. So I really enjoy this. So I'm kind of using that as a as a primer right now. But I'm also going to try the newest Fenty product. Now this was like selling out and sold out in Sephora. I was able to get it on Fenty. But I have the Eaze Drop Blurring Skin Tint over here, and I believe in the color 5, which correlates to my Fenty color 250 or 255. So I'm going to be opening this for the first time here. Really excited to have this now that the mask mandate has changed, and soon we're going to be able to show more of our skin and our faces. Ooh, so I really like this octangular shape over here. It lasts 12 months. It says to shake well. So I'm going to shake well. And it kind of seems like, okay, alright, so it's this sort of nozzle here. So I'm going to go put glasses back on, and I guess just whoop, drops. It's not that liquidy. I mean, it's kind of liquidy, but nice. It still is staying on. It's not like dripping, as you can see. So go ahead and put this on, and this is supposed to be light coverage. So I really like the coverage. I feel like it definitely has a skin blurring effect. I think I actually prefer it to my old NARS. I think it's like the Sheer Glow or Creamy Matte Foundation. So that I definitely like this more. It's definitely more cost efficient. And then to look at the amounts that they have here, so the Fenty Beauty Eaze Drop is 1.08 fluid ounces and 32 milliliters, and it comes in this small package. But what's surprising is actually that the other package is only slightly larger. It is 50 milliliters and 1.7 fluid ounces. So even though the sizes are different, it's somewhat misleading. This doesn't have as much as it seems, although I do appreciate the beautiful packaging and the large size. So believe it or not, you will be able to take this on a plane. It is travel friendly. And now I have a bunch of other purchases from Sephora, so I'm going to go ahead and open that up. So you get a true unboxing here. So I have the, So I have the Kat Von D Lock-It Edge Foundation Brush, which is one I've wanted to have for a while. I just wanted to have a good foundation brush. So I have the KVD Lock-It Edge Foundation Brush. It says KVD, but it actually still says Kat Von D on the back, so I guess the packaging hasn't changed. I just wanted to have a good foundation brush, and I read some reviews. I don't think I'll get a chance to try it out today, but this is how it looks like. It's a little bit, I was gonna say it's a little bit smaller than I expected, but actually it's about the right size for a foundation brush. And this is what I'm really excited for. I love Fenty Beauty gloss bombs, and I've used several of them. This is Sweet Mouth. I have Diamond Milk, which I recently ordered a new thing of. Fenty Glow and Fussy. So I've tried several of their shades already, and this is a brand new one that has been getting some attention because it's a darker color, and it's called Hot Chocolate. This is interesting. So it's showing here, I don't know if y'all can see, but there are some bubbles where you can kind of see the glass underneath, so I'm not sure why it's like that. That seems kind of weird. Okay, and then it's kind of moving around as I do this, but it's definitely not as picturesque as some of the others I have, which don't really have that. Hopefully the formula is good. And there's not much color, I think, going. There's only like color on the very tippy tip here. So that's the brown color. I do like it. I thought it was going to be a little bit more reddish. Shows up brown on me. And here we go. I just don't know why it's not kind of getting on the whole applicator here, which is pretty big. Just at the top. So hopefully mine doesn't have less or something. I do like it. I really like the sort of dark color we have here. It looks different than I expected, but honestly I enjoy it, and it's very easy to wear as is. So yeah, I'm not too sure about some of the weird air bubbles here. I don't know if other people have had this, but it is supposed to be 0.03 fluid ounces. Sorry, 0.3 fluid ounces, 9 milliliters. So it is a very small package. I'm just gonna compare with some of the other ones I have to see if it's the same amount. Yeah, 0.3. 9 milliliters for Sweet Mouth, and the others as well. It's just interesting because it looks like there's so much more product here, but I guess it's not in the chocolate. So if in the future, if I have any issues with it, I will go ahead and report that. But so far I like it. I really like all of the products I tried on today, and I think it is a win today for the products I bought today and for Fenty Beauty. So hope this video was helpful and that you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.